Celegence offers strategic and technical regulatory compliance services to the medical device, IVD, and pharmaceutical industries. For the pharmaceutical industry, Celegence provides advice on regulatory strategy, as well as support for publishing, submissions, and data management. For device and diagnostic clients, Celegence offers EU, MDR, and IVDR advisory and medical writing services, such as PMS documentation and technical file remediations. Our mission is to help clients increase efficiency and reduce cost and time to market. Our global consultants use robust regulatory experience and knowledge to support a product's lifecycle, including dossier lifecycle and submission strategies. And our blended onshore and offshore model can be tailored to your needs, giving you clear visibility and control over diverse product portfolios, increased operational efficiencies, significantly lowered costs, and ongoing regulatory compliance. The pharmaceutical, device, and IVD industries are always evolving, and so are the needs of manufacturers. So to support our clients with ongoing, sustained efficiency, we've developed 3 innovative and proprietary technical solutions. DOSplorer is our advanced cloud-based dossier management system. It's the only solution that allows RA professionals to view, organize, and manage dossier data in a simplified way across all products and countries that provides actionable information and helps you streamline regulatory impact assessments. DOScriber provides templates for the development of CTD and other regulatory documentation, designed to create standalone and reusable documents across products, countries, or submission types. DOScriber prioritizes factual tabular data rather than narrative, allowing for easy maintenance and searchability. Finally, Celegence's groundbreaking compliance platform, Captus, is the only technology solution dedicated to MDR and IVDR compliance, resulting in higher quality PMS documentation created and maintained in a fraction of the time your team spends in manual processes. See how Celegence can transform your regulatory compliance and help you focus on what you do best. Schedule a meeting with our experts today.